Alright, yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Yawa Skate Reaction, where the skate is crazy and the reaction is even crazier. So we've got you another interesting one I get it. So don't go anywhere, just stay right back and watch it out. I get it. Sejo, Yanko. Today, I want to speak about a teacher. I get it, a teacher. Now, there's this teacher who was he came for his national service and he was about to leave. The time has reached, so he's about to leave the school and go to another place to go and search for a work. And before this teacher was about to leave, the love that she had for the children, it was massive. It was serious. The love is so serious. So do you know what this teacher did? Please watch this video. My people, so what do you see? You saw what the children were doing. Did you see what the children were doing? If it were to be you, if you were a teacher, it were to be you, what will you say? They'll put poster color on your dress. They say, hey, are you stubborn? Don't do that. Are you supposed to do that? Come on, leave the place. But you know, this teacher was allowing the children to do direct printing on her shirts. The dress that she was wearing, are you getting it? That tells you that this teacher have love for the children. And the children were so happy. And what they were doing, they were not spoiling the dress, so they were designing the dress. But you now, can't you see that the dress is nice? The thing was white, and now look at the colors. Tie and dye and things. So right now, the children are learning creative arts in school. I get it. So what they are learning, they'll be able to do some things when they come out from JHS. I get it. So as a teacher, help them to achieve their goal, and you get your blessing. You get your blessing. I get it. Okay. So this is what we have for you today. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and we are hoping that you like the video, you share the video, you comment on the video. I get it. And you subscribe. Those that they have not subscribed, I'm looking at you. I'm seeing you. You are watching the video. I'm looking at you. You are not subscribed. Just tap on the thing. Wing, subscribe. Okay, it's your head. Yapo.
Thanks for watching. See you next week for more. Support Search You channel. Share, comment, subscribe.